Good morning, students of class 10. Welcome back to the online classes now. Let us do English supplementary reader. We are doing The Thief's Story, second lesson from supplementary reader. So now in The Thief's Story, so far we have learned about Hari Singh, Anil, two. So Hari Singh was a young boy of 15 years. He was very clever, smart, as well as he used to deceive people, and he chose Anil as his target. Now Anil later on, so far we have learnt about that Anil provided him food, and he also said that I will teach you how to read and write. And Hari Singh thought that, oh, once I know how to read and write like an educated man, I can do, there is lot of things I can do, I can earn a lot of money. So in this way. And Anil, since Anil was a very simple man, a very kind man, and quite easygoing, quite careless about money, regarding money. So now you can see that in today's class, we'll talk about more about Anil and Hari Singh. Anil had no regular income. Anil had no regular income because he used to write for the magazines. He used to write articles for the magazine, and he had to wait for the check. He would borrow 1 week and lend the next. Means he used to manage by borrowing money from his friends, and he used to lend the next week. So in this way he used to manage his life. So he kept worrying about his next check. He was always worrying about when his next check will come. And till then he used to borrow from other people, from other friends, and he used to manage his survival. And once the check, he used to get the check, he used to lend the money, he used to give or repay the loan, and he used to go out and enjoy. So you see that. As soon as it arrived, it means the check. As soon as the check arrived, he would go out and celebrate. So he's so careless, easygoing. That's called easygoing. He was very easygoing regarding money. So whenever the check used to come, he used to repay the loan which he had borrowed from his friends, and the remaining money he used to go out in the market and celebrate. Celebrate means he used to go in the hotel and eat and drink, and that's all. He never thought about what will happen tomorrow. He was very easygoing regarding money. So once the check arrived, he would go out and celebrate that. Number 3, he wrote articles for magazines. He wrote articles for the magazine, a very strange way, a very queer way to make a living. Queer means strange, a very strange way to make a living. He had to wait for the money when the check will come. Until then he find it very difficult to manage his life. So he used to borrow from his friends. And one evening, what happened? He came home. Hari Singh was at home. One evening, he came home with a small bundle of notes. He had a small bundle of notes. Means he must have got the check, paid the loan, enjoyed in the market, with his friends, and the remaining money he brought it at home. And Hari Singh saw the bundle of notes. At night, Hari Singh, that young boy of age 15, he saw him. Hari Singh saw Anil tuck, T-U-C-K, tuck means put the money under the mattress. Hari Singh saw Anil putting the money, bundle of notes, under the mattress. He had seen. Now Hari Singh thought, I have been working for Anil over a month, or at least a month has passed. He has not paid me. Hari Singh thought, I had been working for Anil for almost a month. Almost a month had passed, and apart from cheating on the shopping, he used to go shopping every day and he used to cheat. He used to make a small fortune, a 1 rupee a day. And apart from this cheating on the shopping, he had not done anything in his line of work. In his line of work means he was he was a cheater. He used to deceive people. He used to rob people. He had not done this till now. He was waiting for a chance maybe. But apart from cheating on the shopping, he had not done anything in the line of his work. He had worked with various people, and there he had cheated and ran away from them. He robbed them and ran away and changed his name every month, every time, so that he will keep himself ahead of the police and the former employers. So now we have learned that. Number 6, he had every opportunity to do that, every opportunity to rob Anil, as Anil had given him the door key to the door, and Anil had given him the bunch of key, the house key. The Hari Singh had every opportunity to rob Anil, but Anil trusted him very much. Anil trusted him very much, that's why he had given all the keys of the house. That is why it was so difficult for Hari Singh to rob Anil, because Anil had trusted him. That's why Hari Singh find it very, very difficult to rob Anil, as Anil had trusted him fully. Wherever he worked formerly, other people never did like this, but Anil, he was very kind-hearted man, and he wanted to really help that young boy Hari Singh. That's why he trusted him, he fed him, and taught him how to read and write like his own brother. So that's why Hari Singh find it very, very difficult to rob Anil, as Anil had trusted him fully. So now in our next class, we'll talk about the experiences of the Hari Singh. What he says about robbing a rich man, what he says about robbing a greedy man, what he says about robbing a poor man. What reaction the other people will show, because he was expert in this. He had done all these things and seen. That's why he want to share his experiences, what people think about when they were robbed. So we'll talk about that, and in our next class. That's all for today. We will meet in the next class and continue our lesson. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. Don't waste your time. Use your time wisely. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.